In this world, manufacturing businesses have the potential for significant scalability. With efficient production processes and increased demand, you can easily scale up your operations to meet market needs and expand your business. By starting a manufacturing business, you contribute to job creation and economic growth in your community. In this video, we're sharing 25 new manufacturing business ideas to start your own manufacturing business. Number 1. Sustainable fashion manufacturing using innovative eco-friendly materials. Number 2. Personalized 3D printed prosthetics and orthotics. Number 3. Urban rooftop greenhouse construction for local food production. Number 4. Smart home automation system manufacturing, focusing on energy efficiency. Number 5. Portable water purification device production for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 6. Customized modular furniture manufacturing for small living spaces. Number 7. Biodegradable single-use plastic alternative manufacturing. Number 8. Urban vertical farming equipment production for commercial use. Number 9. Solar-powered mobile phone charging stations fabrications. Number 10. Electric bike conversion kit manufacturing for sustainable transportation. Number 11. Smart wearable technology for healthcare monitoring and tracking. Number 12. DIY home solar panel installation kit production. Number 13. Reusable packaging solutions manufacturing for e-commerce businesses. Number 14. Smart irrigation systems manufacturing for precision agriculture. Number 15. Customized skincare and cosmetic manufacturing based on individual DNA analysis. Number 16. Sustainable building materials production from recycled ocean plastic. Number 17. Personalized nutrition supplements manufacturing tailored to genetic profiles. Number 18. Indoor air quality monitoring and purification system manufacturing. Number 19. Hydroponic farming kits for homegrown herbs and vegetables. Number 20. Zero waste kitchen composting systems manufacturing. Number 21. Portable solar-powered desalination units for clean water access in remote areas. Number 22. Customized pet food manufacturing based on individual dietary needs. Number 23. Plant-based meat alternatives manufacturing using novel ingredients. Number 24. DIY home automation kits for energy-efficient living. And number 25. Low-cost solar-powered water distillation units for clean drinking water in developing regions. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching.